Recording start பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Okay, right. So today is the third day of the faculty development program. In the third day, we have to discuss about the basic information of R language, R programming. First we discuss what is R, and then we discuss about the features, applications, and some use cases of the R language. Some career opportunities for R language by using, if you know very well what is the career opportunity available, how to install R language, and what are the advanced concepts of R, OOPS concept in R, data visualization, machine learning. These are some kind of information we want to discuss. What is this? R is a special language. It is a interpreter oriented language. It's not a compiler. First you got to understand what is R language. The R language is a interpreter language. It's an interpreter, not a computer, not a compiler, not computer, sorry. So R programming languages is working based on the many data types. The R language is used by the many data analysts, data scientists, statisticians. Many of the peoples are utilizing this R language for the purpose of analyzing the recent world data, recent world informations. Current world informations are analyzed by using this R language. R is the number one language which supports for visualization, is very, very important topic. Also which supports for the data analytics very effectively. Therefore, R is the number one database analytics language. We can also analyze some data using Python, C, C++ language, any language we can analyze. There are various visualization languages are available, software tools are available. Compared with other these languages, this R language is suitable for analyzing the large data set. This R language is suitable for analyzing the large data set. By using this R language, we can analyze large number of data sets. You know, whether you know or not, I don't know what is the large data sets are. Millions and millions of data are available in a data warehouse. Then only it is called as a large data. Thousands, lakhs and lakhs of data are not considered as large data, because the big data contains at least 100 TB data is considered as a big data. 100 TB data, not 100 MB data. 100 TB volume of data is actually called as a big data. So big data is the number one concept which is used for analyzing large data sets. So for that purpose, for utilization of the big data analytics, in order to analyze the large data, this particularly this R language is used. Okay, it is an ever expanding programming language with thousands of packages that provide support to a variety of applications. What is the specialty of this R language means? We can adopt this R language with some other packages, many of the packages. There are various packages we can adopt by using this R language. Okay, therefore R is a programming language which used for statistical computing and analysis. Mainly the statistical computing is very well effectively analyzed by using this R language. What is, why this language is called as R? There are two people who are invented this language in 1992. Rose Iga and Robert Gentleman. These two people's first letter is R. Therefore, they coined this language as R. They named this language as R. In New Zealand, Auckland, University of Auckland peoples professors are these two people. These two people are creating this language with their first letter. This R language is actually coined, that is named. Okay, what is the main goal of this R language? It was to make a tool that was affordable, easy to learn, and capable of handling complex mathematical and statistical calculations. The complex mathematical and statistical calculations are done by using this R language very effectively, easily. It's a tool. It is not a, actually we cannot say R is not a language, it is a tool. Because in language and tools, there are a lot of differences. In tools are mostly equivalent to packages. But R language itself contains many packages. Therefore, it is a very big tool. Very big tool. R is a very big tool which contains a number of packages. A large number of packages the R tool contains. Because we can utilize the packages in order to incorporate for the data analysis by using this R language. So easy to learn. The complex and tedious problems, mathematical problems are solved by using this R language. This is the specialty of the R language. Okay. Now what was created by, actually this is Rose and Robert are created this R language. R is the top Google search for advanced analytics software. So in many of the search engines, the R search capability is carried out, or they are writing their search engine features using this R language. This R is used by more than 2 million people worldwide. 2 million people, more than 2 million people are using this R language. The first version of R is introduced in 1995, named after the first letter of the founders. Okay. Mostly used by the data scientist, in which particularly data science and language after SQL. This R language is very famous for the data analysis after the SQL, because we already know that very well about what is the use of the SQL commands, structured query languages, how we can utilize it. After the SQL query language, this R language is very famous for data science, not only for data science, for machine learning applications. Okay. Now, what is the features available in R programming language? There are various features. R is an open source language. Freely you can download and install it. You can use it. It's a comprehensive language. Very easy to learn, very easy analysis carried out to be in R language. And it's a fast calculation, which calculate very fast. The R language calculates very fast, which contains various graphical libraries. There are a number of graphical libraries are available. That is the specialty of this R language. Where wide array of packages are available. Wide array of packages are available. You got to see this figure. Whatever I pointed by mouse, these are all some figures. This kind of figures are created by using the R softwares with some specialized kind of packages. This R language supports handling of all sorts of data, any kind of data. We can incorporate other programming language instructions into this R language. We can incorporate Tableau software into R language. We can incorporate Excel sheet in R language. And many other topics, many other concepts are available, okay, in R language. Therefore, the R language is the number one data analyst language used by the worldwide by the data scientist. Okay, what are the features of R? As I told already, R is a open source language. It is completely free for anybody to use. There are more than 15,000 packages for R. Is it possible you can mind it? Hundreds of packages are available in C, C++, Java. Only some hundreds of packages are available in Java and Python. But 15,000 packages are available in R language. This R language is actually available in the repositories CRAN, Bioconductor, and GitHub. What is CRAN means? Comprehensive R Archive Network. That is the expansion for R language. Comprehensive R Archive Network. It is a company, it's a warehouse in which the R language is exactly available. We can easily download and install it. It's a powerful, the R language contains a powerful graphical utilities, graphical capabilities. Very amazing graphical capabilities are available in the R language. It can produce publication quality graphs, plots of any kind with its base packages. By using its base packages, we can produce many different kinds of visualization methods, different kinds of chart and graph we can able to create. For that, there are specialized packages are available like ggplot2 and Plotly. These are some various kinds of packages which are exactly used for the visualization of the data. There is no need for a separate compiler. I already told you it is an interpreter oriented language. Directly, the R language instructions are transferred to machine language. There is no object language created by this R language. It does not need a compiler to convert the code into a program. Mostly C, C++, Java, Python are compiler oriented language because the bytecode creation, you know that very well in Java language. In bytecode creation, the source program is converted into object program, and then object program code compilation, object program is further executed by the translated into the machine code. That is happen in compiler, but in interpreter it is not possible. Directly the R language instructions are converted into machine language. Okay. Therefore, R is the faster language. Why R is faster language means there is no compiler. If you use compiler, then there must be intermediate form of your program. Therefore, it requires time. But without the intermediate program created by R language means it is faster. Okay. Cross-platform support is the number one feature of R language. It's a cross-platform supportive that it can run on any OS, Unix, Mac OS, Windows, in any platform. This R language will work. That is the very, very important feature of this R language. Okay. Why we want to learn R? Now, I have already explained analysis for tools for big data, analysis of tools for which uses to analyze the various kinds of analysis is carried out for big data by using the R language. There is a gateway to lucrative career. The R provides, if you know very well the R language, you can get job easily in the worldwide. These things are discussed later. What are the job opportunities available if you know very well about R language? Popular for academic research. Most of the research, academic research, are done by using this R language. Free and open source tool are very effectively utilized by many peoples of the world. Then the next, why we want to learn this R language? R has robust visualization and library. What is called as robust languages are? R robust means a programming language is robust means which can act anywhere else, which can run with anywhere else in any platform for any data we can analyze by using R. In any platform we can run R. In any data, by using any data we can visualize. We can have some ideas, solving problems. Everything is carried out. Yeah, an algorithm is robust algorithm. When we say a algorithm is robust algorithm, many of the researchers are not known very well about the robust algorithm. Whatever it is got by the algorithm as an input, the information which are given as input are exactly processed by the algorithm, particular algorithm, then it is called as robust algorithm. In any platform, the algorithm should run. In any kind of data which accepts. Okay. So which is created some error routines, try catch, that is trial and error method. Using the trial and error method, this R language is very suitable for data analysis. Therefore, the R is a robust language because which can run any kind of platform, which can analyze any kind of data, character data, text data, image data, audio data, video data, anything which will analyze. Okay. Therefore, R is very popular for among the programming languages because it's analysis tools. It is used more than 2 million people around the world. All of them have their own reasons to learn and use R. Whatever many of the peoples are utilizing this R language, but their own reasons, they are having their own reasons in order to utilize this language. This language is useful as an analysis tool for big data, which is used academic research, which can visualize the results of data analysis very effectively, which is useful for building machine learning models. The machine learning models are very effectively created by using this R language. Okay. Now it has a plethora of features that make it the preferred tool over many others for professionals and hobbyists alike. That is, there are many people are liking this language, and because of its specialized kind of features. This is open source, and this therefore anybody can contribute to it to their own way. We can utilize this R language their own way. 15,000, more than 15,000 data packages are available already. We discussed it. R can be useful for data analysis, data visualization, software development, and web development, making attractive analysis reports. Everything is very easy. Okay, that is the important. Okay. Now, therefore, R is attractive language. We can make we can make decisions very effectively for the business purposes because the R language is used for many business decision-oriented companies. What are the applications of R? In banking sector, finance oriented, e-commerce oriented, social media analytics, healthcare. In all this area, the R language is very popular. Banking, finance, e-commerce, social media, and healthcare. In all these areas, the R language is very effectively utilized. What are the various applications of R? R is very flexible. It have a lot of variety of applications which is useful in some way or in some form in most industry sectors. Academics are mostly utilized for their research purposes. How we can calculate, how we can create a statistical computing, how we can they can create reports by using the specialized kind of softwares, developing statistical models, and analyzing large data results, large data sets. Studies and surveys are very easily carried out by academicians. In healthcare analysis, this R language is most popular, which have analysis tool for preclinical drug trials. Okay, so new medicines and medical procedures are tested by using this R language program. It is also used to analyze generic. Suppose most of the people attended this webinar are doing their research work. Suppose if you want to analyze medical oriented data, healthcare analysis oriented data, finance oriented data, the R language is very useful. Okay, R language is very useful to write, analyze the data which belongs to finance, banking, healthcare, and e-business oriented, e-commerce oriented, everything. Then these things are discussed. Finance sector, the R deals with a lot of statistical methods. R is the most preferred technology purpose among them. They use it to identify and predict market trends. In order to predict the market trends, we use this R language. What's are you are all given only some applications, features, facilities available in R language. Why we want to know all these things? Already we have enough discussion about this R language, about all these things. But this actual session is data analysis. How The R language is support for data analysis. That's why I'm informed all these things. The R is you also used to calculate statistics like annual profits or loss, recovery models, and everything is possible by using this R language. Banking sectors are uses risk modeling and markage rate calculation. They have clear cut idea. They have a R programming language in order to calculate all these things. By particularly the credit card risk is carried out by using this R programming language. In IT sectors, most of the companies are replacing this R language for their business purposes. Most of the business intelligence informations are carried out by using R programming. They also use R to devise their business strategies. In order to devise their business strategies, the R language is used. In manufacturing sector, the R is very well used. Manufacturing companies use R to predict the market demand. Yesterday, some kind of equipments are sold. Today, the same kind of equipments are not sold. That much effort that is already previously yesterday, whatever the quantity of record having a sale in the sale, but today is not possible. Means what is the reason? The R language clearly given some solutions for analyzing the data, the past data, the current data, and the future data. Everything is possible by using this R language. The social media analytics is very well carried out by R language. Social media analytics. Nowadays, a very far popular research work done by many people is a social media analysis, social data analysis. What are the social data, social media analysis? In WhatsApp itself, we have a lot of large amount of data are available. How we can analyze all this kind of data? We can analyze the humans' behavior in their data produced in the WhatsApp. Everything is carried out by using this R language. Okay. Now, what is the another one? Use cases of R language. Where this R language is actually used. In many companies, the R language is used. In many companies, most of the companies utilizing this R language. Most of the companies are utilizing this R language. Now, Cornell University, Microsoft company, 80 to 90 percentage of the Microsoft company utilizing this machine learning, Azure ML framework. They use this R language, statistical engine. Bajaj Alliance Insurance Company, 100% utilize this R programming. Amazon website, 100% utilize this R programming language. Okay, now Facebook company 100% utilize this R language programming. Bank of America uses R for financial reporting and to calculate financial losses. In Facebook, that is R is used to update its social network graph and to predict Gallic interactions. Okay. So Facebook interactions are 100% carried out by using a program which is written by using the R language. So Ford Motor Company utilizes this R language. The Food and Drug Administration is 100% evaluated and carried out by the R language. This is the use cases of the R language. Not only this use cases, then what is the role for R programming? If you know very well the R programming, you will become a data scientist. You will become a data scientist because nowadays the data scientist is the number one job opportunity available in the world. 1,50,000 data scientist posts are available. 1,50,000, 1.5 lakh, 1.5 lakh data scientist post is available around the world, but available data scientists are only 40,000. So you can easily get job if you are very well about the data scientist. For analyzing the business, this R language is utilized. Business analyst, data analyst, data visualization experts, quantitative analysis, that content based information extraction. That is quantitative analysis. What is the role of the quantitative analysis? Means content-based information extraction is carried out by the quantitative analysis. Data visualization experts are some kind of advertising companies are 100% utilize this data visualization technologies which is available in our language. Advertisement companies, most of the advertisement companies are replacing this kind of R language with data visualization. So content-based information extraction is done by using this R programming language by the method of quantitative analysis. Okay. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the R programming language? One of the most popular language for statistical modeling and analysis, which is like every other programming language, it has its own set of benefits and limitations. We discussed the weighting of the pros and cons of R programming against each other. Compared with other languages, there are some pros and cons are available in the R programming language. R is a continuously evolving language. Every day R is improved. What is the specialty of Python language? Freedom software. It is freedom software, free software. Free software means you can derive your own methodology in Python language. That is the specialty of Python language. Also, the specialty of Python language is the code compactness. Code compactness. That is, if you use 100 lines for a particular problem, to solve a particular problem by using the Java language, you got to write 100 lines. But the same program is written by using Python language, only 10 lines are enough. So code compaction is 100% done by the Python language. Every day Python language is increased their capabilities. Like the R language also, many features are every day increased. Versions are different. Every day, every year, every 6 months once the R language was growing. Okay. So there are various pros and cons of R. The support R language support machine learning algorithms. Strong graphics, I already informed you, R supports visualization methods. It is a open source language. What is the drawback of this R language? Means R is very slow. Okay. For taking, when we analyzing the large data set, which will take some time. Security is not good. Any kind of open source software, security is not good. This is a memory based language. Suppose in your system, only if you have only 2 GB memory, it is not possible. Minimum we require 4 GB or 8 GB or 10 GB. Also software is, that is a Windows version. Operating system also we must require minimum Windows 10 we require to install our language. Windows 10 we require to install minimum R language. Okay. This is the advantages of the R language. Open source programming language. Anyone can work with R language without need for license or a free. So it is a free language. Further, you can customize the R language packages. There are various kinds of R language packages are available. We can develop our own new packages in R languages like Python language. We can resolve some issues which are available in R language. This is the specialty of the R language. Exemplary support for data wrangling. You know that very well what is called as data wrangling. Okay. The data wrangling methods, the R supports exemplary support for data wrangling. The packages like dplayer, readr are capable of transforming message data into the structured form. Okay. So data wrangling means some error-oriented information are transferred perfectly by using this R language. If your data are having some errors, inconvenient data, inconsistent data, noisy data, the outlier data, then the R language will perform perfectly. Array R language have array of packages. There are various number of packages. More than 10,000 packages are available. 15,000 packages are available, which are available in CRAN repository. Comprehensive or archive network is the expansion for the CRAN repository, which constantly growing every day. The CRAN repository increasing their information about the R language. These packages appeal to all the areas of industry, what not a single industry, which supports many kind of industries. Quality plotting and graphing is very important in R language. Already I inform you. ggplot2 and plotly, these two facilities are available in the R language package, which are provides very effectively the visualization techniques. Highly compatible. R language was highly C, C++, Java, Python, like this programming language. R is very compatible. It also integrated with some technologies. Hadoop, for the analysis of big data, the Hadoop platform is number one platform. In Hadoop, you can incorporate R language. The other database systems are also incorporated by using this R technology. The R is a platform independent language. It is not, it is a cross-platform programming language. That means it can run quite easily on any kind of software. Eye-catching reports are very important. With the packages like Shani and Markdown, reporting the results of an analysis of extremely easy with the R language. So eye-catching reports, the quickly created reports are very effectively created. Instant reports are created very effectively by using this R language. The R language supports many machine language operations. Many machine language operations are very machine language algorithms. We can write able to write classification, regression, and curve fitting, anything for any kind of a time series analysis, ANOVA, multivariate analysis, everything with the R language supports. R supports statistical computing very effectively. Already we discussed about all these things. Continuously growing is the specialty of the R language. Okay, what is the disadvantages, cons of contradictions of the R language? It's a weak origin. Much R shares its origin with a much older programming language. Yes, R is like a yes language. Also, R is like it's a object-oriented language, but the command line prompt is available in R language. That is called as command line prompt. A single line only which accepts. Most of the programs which are written by using the single line. One of the very famous single line language is Lisp language, a Lisp processor. The number one first object-oriented language in the computer field is Lisp language, which supports the object-oriented programming. The first computer object-oriented language is Lisp, which supports the OOPS concept, which is the interpreter-oriented language. Like another language, S is invented. S supports some packages and graphics. R supports the R is the extension of the S language. So weaker origin. Data handling is not, that is R data accepts only, is suitable for large data sets only. For small kind of data sets, R is not suitable. Therefore, it is not an ideal option when dealing with big data. Dealing with big data, some kind of drawbacks are available. Definitely structured programming, structured data alone are extracted. Basic security is the reason. Already I told, whenever it is a open source language, for all open source language, the security is not available. Okay, complicated language, it is a complicated language, but sometimes it is not easy to learn. So because we have to incorporate with the packages, we can install many kind of packages. That is the drawback. Lesser speed, which have lesser speed, but comparatively with the MATLAB and the Python, the R language programming having slower than the other these languages. But spread across the various languages, various packages, because R language contains a number of packages, which is a very drawback. Which package is utilized for what purpose? Everything is the main contradiction of the R language. Okay, now we are coming to the part of discussion about the how to install R. Okay, there are three installation procedures are available. First, we got to install the R language. After installing the R language, we get to install the R Studio. Then in R Studio, entering into R Studio, then we have to install the R packages. There are 3 steps available in order to install the R language. I already inform you how to install R language. If you want to go to how to install the R language, you can straight away go to this website dataflare.trainingblocks. How to install R? A very a number one website available for the R language study is this. What is dataflyer.com? You have to go to dataflyer.com. There are various number of R language instructions are available. For example, whatever I am taken, all these informations are taken from this master guide. Okay, from this master guide, we can consider all this. The informations which are discussed by me are taken from this. Very simple. Most of the peoples are not informed where I prepared by using what software I prepare this. They never informed, but I informed. I informed to you. Huh? Okay, directly. Very simple. There are various lot of informations are available which having. Suppose if you want, a lot of packages are available. You see here, a number of packages, number of informations are available. Hundreds of information, more than 50 informations are available in order to discuss about the R language. Okay, so you can go through it very easily, the R language. Okay. Now next, installation command is available in that website. You can go through very well. Next, the steps to install the R language. Cran packages for Windows https cran.rproject.org. This is the cran packages. For R Studio also available in order to install this language. First you got to run the R language and then you got to run the R Studio. First you run the R language and then you run the R Studio. Okay. Now what is the basic R programming concepts to learn? R is a language, you know that very well. The data types supports in R languages. What are the different kind of data types? Data structures, complex and integers, characters, logical data are available. These are some kind of data types, basic data types. And what is R structures? The R data structures are available. The previous one is data type. This one is data structures, vectors, matrix, arrays, data frames, factors, conditional and loops. Conditional and loops are available in data structures, in which you cannot see the special feature which is available in R language is data frames. You know that very well about the web frames. Web frames you know very well for the purpose of displaying your information in a website, you can use web frames. Like in order to display your data, information about your data, we use this data frames, a special package available in the R data structure. Okay, just wait. Okay. Now you can see here there are various control structures are available. If else, switch, loop, while loop, break, next, repeat loops. These are all some control structures available. No problem. What are these control structures? What are the very famous control structures? Repeat statement is very important. Compared with other languages, this R language having repeat statement. Repeat statement is the number one facility control structure available in the R language. Okay, break statement is available in any other languages. Okay, what are the various R functions are available? You can create functions in R using the function keyword. The word function keyword is used for the R language. That is the very famous. Okay. Now R packages are available. There are, I already informed many packages are available in R language, which are available in the CRAN repository, data warehouse repository. Okay, what are the different kinds of R packages are available? These are all available. Listed here. Tiniverse, ggplot, ggraphs, MLR, Carrot, Mass, Random Forest, Sentiment, or for the analysis of sentiment analysis, we have to utilize this sentiment R language, Plotly, Clue. These are various packages are effectively utilized by using this R language. Okay. But one of the very famous technology which is utilized by R language is sentiment analysis. Already I explained what is sentiment analysis, but the sentiment analysis is actually very well effectively carried out, because in order to analyze the web contents, websites, social media data, we require some sentiment analysis. Okay. Therefore, this R language is very famous. So sentiment and analysis are two kinds. One is sentiment and another one is emotion based. Emotional mining, emotional based mining, sentiment analysis are two kinds. Sentiment analysis are given results as positive, negative, or moderate. But the emotional mining, good, well, sad, angry, this kind of reports are created. R has data science projects. Okay, or having data science projects. You know that very well. Uber software. Uber is 100% created by using the data science. This R language. Uber is one of the data science software, machine learning based software, which is 100% created by using the R language. Okay, how the Uber package run. This is the real-time example of. This is the real-time package for. This is the real-time package for the Uber software. Okay. Now next one is data science movie recommendation system project is 100% done by using this R language. Movie recommendation system. A recommendation system provides suggestions to the users through a filtering process. Amazon, Netflix, you know that very well. Netflix and Amazon movie recommendation system. These are all created by using this software R language. Okay. Next. Therefore, data science project supports movie recommendation system. In movie recommendation system, there are two types: collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. Filtering. Collaborative filtering. What is collaborative filtering and what is called as content-based filtering? Everything is carried out. Okay, very well. You can easily understand by using this figures. Action, genres, and similar users are using this same kind. Watched by her, recommended to him. Everything is carried out by the collaborative filtering. Content-based filtering, comedy, genders, similar movies are available, recommended to the users. Everything is carried out. So for the movie recommendation system, this kind of R programming, I already informed you. Netflix software contains a movie recommendation system using this R software. Netflix recommendation system provides you with the recommendation of the movies that are similar to the ones that have been watched in the past. Okay, so from this figure you can easily understand how the R programming project is actually used in the movie recommendation system. Then project credit card fraud detection by using the ML is R supports. Historical data are analyzed and then the data is tested. If unlabeled features are available, test the model predictions. Then finally you have to test the model accuracy, model training, and suppose if required you have to train the models and go to like that. Then when it is trained, the set features are identified and go to like that. So fraud detection system, for the fraud detection system using the machine learning based approach, this R provides a very flexible approach. Customer segmentation for the purchase and for the ordering some items through online, this customer segmentation system, the R language provides very effective in a very effective manner. So identifying the potential customer base for selling the product, implementing clustering algorithms to group the customer base, selling product to the identified customer group are 100% done by using this R project. Companies using this R language, Google, Facebook, Bing, Microsoft, Citibank, American Express, Capgemini, Infosys, Deloitte, HSBC, Bank of America, every company, most of the very famous companies are utilizing this R project. Okay. Therefore, very simple. I already informed you. R language tutorial is available in this website very effectively. I already informed you, shown to you. Dataflare.com. It's enough. Suppose if you want to some input output features in or dataflare.training slash blacks input output features are available in the same website. We can very easily download. Now we are going to say some illustration programming concepts by using the R language. Okay, which have some capabilities. Just wait. I already installed R language and R Studio. Now I want to share my R language and R Studio. Just wait. Which takes some times to install. R language is initiated. You can see here the R language. What is R language? This is R Studio. Here, this is the R Studio. In R Studio, file, edit, code view, as usual, we are entering into R Studio. We can run our commands here. Very easily, we can run our commands in this prompt. If anybody already installed R Studio, then you can directly type. Suppose now I want to assign some value for A less than initial, the number is 50 is assigned. Okay. Now what is here? You can note that values, the variable name is A, the value of the variable is 50, which is available. Suppose if you want to know the value of A, just type A, which will produce the output. Okay. But R is the case sensitive language. All the interpreter languages are case sensitive language. That you must know very well. All the interpreter languages are case sensitive language. Now I assign uppercase letter A. Uppercase letter A have value 100. Okay. Now suppose if you want to print this, print a value is printed. Okay, suppose if you want to print a plus a, just same thing, nothing happened, the value is 150 and both like that. Suppose if you want to print, use in the place of the value is 2. Okay, suppose I want to print some informations, as a text, I want to enter, just print text. This is the very simple programming. Okay, very simply we can interact with the R programming language. Yeah, all of you listen my execution commands.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
you can see here, you can note it. Now I want to get an input, just INP equal to, we have to use the scan function. Okay, I am using this scan function. Okay, now in the scan function I have given 10, 5, 1 and 2. Why the first line is 1 and the second line is 3? We got 2 values in input function. Just if you enter, that is just 5, that is 20. We enter, then this is the third value. The first value is 10, second value is 5, third value is 20. Just if you press, just enter, only 3 values are read from the console. You understand the concept? Here, how many values are scanned from the console as an input? 3 values. The fourth value is not accepted. Just carriage written. It's enough. Now, just you press in. What are the values are available? 10, 5, 20. This is the output. Okay. So, like we can have many examples, very simple examples. Suppose if you want to read a string in the str equal to, just a string, str is the reserved word, string equal to read ln, read line is the reserved word. Just I enter here. Now I type just Velmurugan. Now just you have to press str. The Velmurugan is entered, displayed. This is the result. Here you can note that each and every variable must be displayed here in the right hand side of the upper side of the program, the console. Okay, we can very easily find out what are the variables here. A, uppercase letter A, lowercase letter A, INP is a variable, str is a string variable. Okay, everything is carried out. So very simple manner. Now if you want to print, I already informed, print Velmurugan just within the quote. Now, so now you want to concatenation. Cat command is used. Cat in the quotation Velmurugan /n, you can use /n, null character we can use, just it is cat. Now you want to accept an integer, okay, not necessary, integer is not necessary. Just we can use A. Already A is stored. Now using this cat function, you can very well utilize cat A value, comma, Velmurugan /n, comma, uppercase letter A. Like if you enter, then you can get what? Next line character. Why we enter Velmurugan after the letter string Velmurugan on /n next line character. 50 is the value of A, and then the first line, second, the value of uppercase letter A is entered, and go like that. There are various kind of informations are very well carried out by using this R language. Now I have shown one other kind of information. V equal to 23.5. What is this? Just a variable is stored. A variable V is stored in 23 point. The value of the variable is 23.5. Okay. Now, what is the value of this variable? Print opening parenthesis class of V. What kind of class the variable V? It's a numeric variable. Is it right or not? This is the number one feature available in C language. The type class of the variable V is numerical. Type of the variable. There is a built-in function class is available in the language itself. Now, suppose if you enter in this 2L, you know that very well 2L, right? What is the use of 2L? 2L is also integer, right? Next, here if we enter a complex number 3 plus 2i, okay, 3 plus 2i complex number, what is the result? The class of the variable V is complex. Like there are various commands are replaced perfectively. Now I want to assign V value as true. Okay, V is true. Now print class of V as logical. Okay, so very simple programs we can able to run in by using this number. Simply we can enter. It is not necessary to write. For example, num equal to number equal to 10. Class of number, if we enter like, then what is number is integer. Now, what is the type of this integer? Type of num. What is the type of this number? It is a double type number. All the integer values are stored as double in C language, in R language. That is the specialty of R language. All the integers which are stored in the R languages, integers are stored in the R language are double types. Okay. There are various kinds of informations we can able to find out. Now, one more problem, how we can able to define functions. These are all very basic commands. Now I want to explain one function, then we will go to the question and answer session. Okay, just wait. Just wait. Loading MS Word MS Word file. I am done now. Word file is running. Just wait. For opening an Word file, it will make a system takes more time because I have installed Office 2019 software. Office 365 software is installed. Office 365 software is installed. Okay. Now I want to share this. Okay. My screen is shared. Now I have defined a function. How we can able to define a function? Here I am already stored define a function. I typed the function entire source code into my Word file. You note that here square is assigned a function. The word function indicates square is a function defined. What is the number of parameters used? X is a parameter. Return x squared. Okay, print square of 4. Print square of x equal to 4. Just you. I have already written this number of, that is, I have already typed this information into a Word file or text file and then copy it. Now you here see here, what is the result of print statement? Square of 4 is 16. Here in my program, there are two functions are given. Print square of 4 is one function. Print square of x equal to 4 another one function. So very simple. Here print function, a function name is a square, and the function's square is executed like that. Very easy program we can able to find out in this. Now counting some numbers from how we can utilize the here you know that very well. Square is assigned a function name is x, return x squared. Okay, then print square of 4. What is the print square of 4? 16. Print square of x equal to 4, also 16. Okay, so x equal to 4, if you enter, this x equal to is not considered. Suppose if you want to print this x equal to, then you have to enter in the what? Double quote mark in the square. Like we can execute very simple commands. The another one example that I have given here is, there is another one function. You see here, countdown is assigned a function from is the parameter. Print from parameter, while from not equal to 0, sys.sleep.one sleep, that is from is assigned from -1, that is the value -1. Okay, print from, I want to execute. Okay, so very simple. This is the simple program entered here. Like there are various simple functions are available. The various functions are very well available in the form. Okay, now you can easily understand the R programming language. Suppose if you want to include packages in R language, how we can include here? There is a this is in tools option is available. Here you note that here tools option is available. In this tools option, there are various applications are effectively available. Install packages. Using this commands, you can definitely get information, install the packages. Only I have installed two, basic R language and then R Studio. This is R Studio. This is R Studio. If you install R Studio, then only you can know the progress of the software, this execution control, everything. Okay, but if you want to install some specialized kind of packages, you can install packages. What kind of packages you require, everything should be featured. Now what packages you require, everything is installed here. Now you have to write repository from CRAN repository, the package that you want, you can install and store it in the system, in your system. So like you can visualize many kind of data. Visualization packages is not installed by me because in a short span I am unable to install the packages because it take many times. That is the slower than the R language is slower than the other languages. Okay, within this small introduction about the R language, I have to conclude this session. Okay, now if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Participants?
So there is one question, sir. What
Yes.
is the system requirement for R programming?
Minimum Windows 10, minimum 4 GB RAM. Windows 10 software minimum we require. Windows 7, they insisted minimum Windows 7, but in Windows 7 is not possible to install R Studio, but it is possible to install R language. But R Studio is not possible to install in the Windows 7. Minimum we require Windows 10 software, because also if you install your R Studio and R packages in your system, then your system must have a graphics adapter. Then only it is possible to give you a solution about the visualization packages. If you want to utilize the visualization packages, your system must have graphics adapter. Graphics adapter illama neenga vandu panningina varadu. It's not possible to carry out your visualization programs in the graphics adapter. Okay, then any other question?
Participants, if you have any queries, kindly post in the chat box.
I have given some simple example in this R programming because it is time consuming. So if you suppose if you want to analyze data, taking visualization, we want to install the R package, but which is available in my college, but in my house is not possible. There are various versions are available in R Studio. You can install any one version. They informed R Studio version 1.1.463 is working in Windows 7, but sometimes not possible, which is based on your system. Windows 7, sometimes it is work. Okay. Then any other doubt?
Participants, kindly post your queries in the chat box. Sir, one more question, sir. Can we do feature selection in R?
Somewhat difficult because R language supports machine learning algorithms, but in machine learning algorithms, only some specialized kind of applications alone are accepted by the R language. Not all the features. Okay. Not all the features of machine learning algorithms which does not support the R language. Sometimes it is tough. Then okay, you can say what of things.
Sir,
if you have any questions. What is the difference between class and the type of class given the original values, type of given the what kind of object type or variable type or constant type, like class is the original value of the class, integer type, double type only are given in the class.
So one more question, sir.
Only R languages support statistical data, right?
Yes,
No, which supports big data. I already informed big data concepts, that any kind of data visualization, if you want to visualize your data, business oriented data, not the Uber software is supported by R language. Uber software is statistical data? No. Netflix is statistical data? No. Visualization is effectively done by using the R language. That is the specialty of the R. Types of commands, 1 second, sir. There are various commands are available, like in prompt. Many commands are available, variables. You can go to the I already seen you dataflare.com, data-flare.com. You can visit to the website. Dataflare.com, where is available? Here. In this website, you have to enter. Here you can know that very well. Various functions are available. Here, various functions are available. My screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
There are various functions are available here. How many functions? A number of functions are available. You can see all these functions. It is like the data visualization techniques are very effectively carried out by using this R language, right? Used test, chi-square test are very well effectively carried out by this R language. Right? The basic input output functions are effectively discussed in this R language. This tutorial, you have to note that data-flare.com, dataflare.com, they have given lot of information about R language, Python, everything. Block home, if you enter the block home, We can search many informations. Basic input output functions are available in this. Okay. Right. Next. Okay. Any doubts?
Participants, if you have doubts, kindly post in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
You can say out of thanks. It's the time holder, I think.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we have to discuss about the how to write a research article. Very, very important topic. All must attend. Definitely. Thank you very much.
Thank
You
you,
can
sir.
say out of thanks.
Thank you so much. Today we have seen a very easy and understandable manner about the R programming language. It is, I hope everyone understood, and it is very useful to us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Feedback. Thank you. Feedback from Potachi.
Participants, kindly fill the attendance form. It will be available only to 10 to 15 minutes. Kindly fill it.
Can I leave, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.